Good morning. I'm still tired. I'm looking forward for my coffee at work, and Jafet will drop me off, and he is continue to Ostrava. It's a big day today. You're gonna get officially your
documents, my papers.
Your paper or your card already?
Okay, so I'm going to Ostrava to collect my temporary residence card. Today is the day. So after that, if I want to find job or seek employment, then now I'm allowed.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I'll show you later how does it look like.
Yeah, so are we gonna celebrate your card? We're gonna, you know, like when you when there's a new boat, so when you crash the champagne against the boat, so we're gonna crash the champagne and we're gonna spill all over the card, and
yes, yeah, let's see.
Yeah, okay,
then start hunting job. Yes. What job do I need? What do you think?
I think that you can work in KFC or McDonald's and always bring the food home. Or in that Vietnamese, I like the noodles. Yeah. What other? Oh, if you're gonna work in the Bidfood, oh my goodness, you're gonna have so much
ice cream.
Ice cream. Sophia will be very happy.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, something like that. Or do you want to be policeman?
Huh?
Do you want to be policeman?
I want to.
Okay. You choose. Because the job here in Opava, it's very easy to get. Yeah, anyway, so we will see what is gonna be next step.
Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna drop off Hannah, and
yeah,
I'll proceed to Ostrava.
You proceed to McDonald's for coffee. Good life.
Yeah.
And then you continue, right?
Yeah.
All right. I'll see you later.
Black coffee in the morning. So tumambay muna ako rito sa McDonald's kasi maga pa. Yung appointment ko doon is 9:45, so 7:45 pa lang, kaya maga pa. So hinatid ko nga lang siya na tumiritso ako rito sa McDonald's para magkape, kill the time at 8:30. So babatsin ako sa Ostrava. Nandito na ako sa office ng Ministry of Interior. Ang oras is alas 9:10. Yung appointment ko na kolektahin yung aking card is 9:45 pa. So meron pa akong time. So yeah. So dito ako papasok para kolektahin yung card. Okay. So nakuha ko na yung card. Okay? Masaya ako, masaya. Binigyan nila ako ng 3 years validity ng temporary residence permit. So after this, I think I could apply for permanent residency. Yeah. So takpan ko lang yung mga kwan. Yan. Okay. So ano, applyan na ng trabaho? Job hunting na tayo? Pwede na mag-apply ng trabaho? So yan, uwi na ako at si Sofia kasi nag-request na kumari sa labas kami kakain. Sabi ko, parang celebration naming dalawa. Siya lang muna kasi si Hannah na sa work. So okay, uwi na tayo at talagang masaya ako. Salamat sa Diyos at nag-grant yung aking temporary residence permit. So valid until 2028. Yeah, 3 years. Mababa. Ayos, okay. So pwede na tayong mag-stay talaga sa Europe ng matagal-tagal. Kasi yung British passport allowed lang dito sa Europe mag-stay ng 90 days. After 90 days, exit ka. So, kaya ako tumagal dito sa Czech Republic gamit ang aking British passport kasi binigyan nila ako ng bridge visa. Yung bridge visa, literal na bridge, parang habang nag-aantay ka ng iyong temporary residence permit. Yung bridge visa, parang yan yung temporary mo talaga magstay ka sa Czech Republic. So, at last, nakuha ko na. Magandang news. So, uwi muna tayo at manananghalian. Today, I'm going to take Sophia to her doctor. Sophia will explain that when we're going to your doctor.
So, I have this problem with throwing up a lot. It started about 6 months ago, but it was like on and off. So maybe like once a week I would throw up, but then 2 months would stop. Because I went out with Barangay Tereska and then, you know, I threw up in the park. And even when I shower, I throw up in my drink. But then it stopped for about 2 months. But then, like, maybe once a week it happened. But now it's like happening very often that I'm throwing up after every meal.
So she was like having 6 episodes of vomit.
Yeah, but I was fine. Like, I didn't feel any sickness.
No symptoms at all.
No nauseousness.
No nauseous, nothing at all. No headache, nothing. But I gave her this one last night because I was scared that she would get dehydrated.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Duralite. She had this thing when she was like 4 years old. I'm not mistaken, Binkay. I wasn't.
I think so.
4 years old. She was hospitalized.
Because I had a stomach bug.
Yeah.
The same.
But at that time, did you have stomachache?
No stomachache as well.
You were just like throwing up, right?
But it was a stomach bug. But I felt very like dizzy.
Yeah, because if you keep throwing up, you get dehydrated and then you don't have energy anymore. So that's what happened to you even last night. So every 10 to 15 minutes, I give her like 2 teaspoons of water. I mix this one. This is from England, from the hospital. We bought new one, this one. This is the same when we were in England. Anyway, let the doctor check her and we'll figure out. Yesterday, after I collected my card, we were about to have dinner. It's good that we did not go for dinner. We canceled it. And then she started vomiting. And then I was like worried because it's like 6-7 times vomiting. So scary. So I told Hannah, gave me this Duralite because I remember when we were in England, this is really good to make her recover of the fluid that she lost. So let's go to her GP, and after that maybe we can go for lunch outside.
But I don't know what I'm gonna have for lunch.
Yeah, at the moment she's eating plain food like boiled potato.
Potatoes for breakfast.
Yeah, that's okay. So finished checkup. What the doctor said?
Basically, I can't have heavy foods. Small portions I should have.
You cannot have heavy food.
Small portions and not too much food with lots of fat.
No fat food.
No, I mean, yeah, but like not too fatty.
But what's the cost? What's the cost? What she said?
Basically, they have this list here, and everything that say that could cause throw up is everything that I ate.
Really?
Chocolate, ice cream, fruits, like fruits that have skin.
Yeah, because you just ate the time yesterday grapes.
And also, what else? I ate tomato, and I had pasta tomato.
Yeah,
and,
pasta tomato. Yeah.
And fizzy drink.
Fizzy drink.
Like,
but you don't really drink fizzy drink.
But they have like water with bubbles.
So you have what? Like food allergy?
No, I'll explain it.
Wait. So what do you have?
Nothing. It's just some types of food like can make people throw up. Like anyone throw up if they have like a lot of it. So what I have to do is 14 days. I'm going to have a diet with small portions and not fatty food, no chocolate, no grape, no
sweets.
Sweets. I think I can have, but heavy foods like ice cream is heavy.
Yeah.
And also skin, no fruits with skin.
Okay. But there's no like something wrong with you, no?
No, but the doctor said that 2 to 3 hours before I sleep, I should not eat.
Okay, so
I can properly digest it. And also, so she said that if it works out that I'm not throwing up, continue this diet for 6 weeks, and after 6 weeks, I can eat whatever I want. But like 14 days, I'm gonna do this diet. But if after 14 days it doesn't work, I'm still throwing up, then I'm going to...
So what is this bottle that she gave you?
I don't know, I didn't really listen. But she wrote to mommy a letter.
Okay, maybe that's a stool sample. You have to give stool sample.
Yeah. It's very...
Yeah? Stool sample?
I think so.
When you gonna give it back?
She asked me, and I said I'm not sure. So she said she'll talk about it with my mom.
Yeah, she checked your tummy. When she pressed your tummy, did you feel any pain?
No pain.
No pain. So basically, you have only like food problem. You cannot digest much.
Yeah.
Certain foods.
I can digest it. It's just like it says in this here. It's like for older children with food problems, right? Like a diet, and everything that makes people throw up, like children throw up, it's everything that I ate this week.
Okay, so anyway, so we are going to have lunch now. It's 10 past 12 now. So what food do you want to eat?
Okay, I can have food, but not too much fat.
So nidlik and what do you want?
I don't know. I'll choose
chicken. Okay.
Do you think it has too much fat?
Chicken has no fat. You can have like chicken breast or lean meat.
I don't like lean meat. It's too dry.
I know, but you have to do diet now.
I know, but it makes my throat like I can't swallow it. It's like...
I know, baby. Alright, let's go. So ito yung aming pagkain ngayong araw na to. Bawal kay Sophia itong mga oily food na, kaya chicken breast ang kanyang kakainin at saka rice lang. Enjoy, Pinkay! Ayan, okay diba? Kaya mo tayo. Masarap tong gulas at saka nidlik. Ayan. You like your food? Tasty? Ayaw niya yung dry, kaya lang no choice. Yan yun muna yung pagkain niya ngayon. Ayan. Finish ba? You like it, right? Finish it. Low fat diet ngayon si Sophia. Nag-grocery kami ng kanyang pagkain.
I was about to cry then.
No chocolates, no ice creams. Kahit yung yogurt niya, low fat, zero anti-carb. So yan, okay, uwi na kami ito. Pagkain niya ito, namalingki kami ng kanyang pagkain. Kasi special diet na siya ngayon.
This is gonna be the hardest 6 weeks of my life.
Why?
So I can't have any fat.
Huh?
I can't have any fat or any like
snacks, chocolate, ice cream,
or heavy foods.
Heavy foods.
Small portions.
Yeah, and you cannot even have skin, fruits with skin.
Yeah,
so
but I mean, well, that's fine. I can peel off the skin. Like apple, I can peel the skin off. Pears, but the grapes, it's very hard for me because I love grapes.
Yeah, no, that's life, Pinkay. So you have to give rest to your tummy.
Okay, but no fat. I mean, like I can have fat, but very, very low, like low fat.
Okay.
Like when I went to the store, I almost cried. Because I was looking at the milk, like a milkshake, and I was like, "Well, you should be looking at that. Of course, it has fat." Yeah. And like, oh.
Poor baby. It's okay. Just 6 weeks. Yeah. Let's see if the doctor wants to know if she has allergy of the particular food. Because like oily, greasy, so no McDonald's anymore for you, Pinkay. No more McDonald's.
I mean, I always preferred KFC more.
Even KFC, all these are greasy food. So
they have salads.
Yeah, salad maybe, but be careful with the salad because you are not allowed to eat tomato. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Talk to you later.
Okay, see you later, guys. Bye. I'll give you guys an update of my diet.
Happy birthday, Maminka. Birthday, Maminka. 1 year old na siya. Sisi, what is it? Check in 1 year. Jeden?
Jeden rock.
Huh?
Rock. Jeden rock.
Jeden rock. Sisi, pes jeden rock, Maminka. Pes jeden rock. Jakupim kleba, cake, potom. Oh, magkakape ako muna. Kasi katapos ko lang mag-lunch doon sa Globos. So dito ako magkakape sa bahay. Yan. Ito yung milk. Lagyan ko ng kape. So, coffee time. Oras is alas 2.
Time is what the time?
Alas 2 na ng hapon. So, time for coffee. Tapos, lagyan ng konting tubig. Okay? Ganyan ako magkape. Coffee muna tayo. Ayos. Working. Masyadong dry yung garden. Ilang araw nang hindi umuulan. So magbibis-bis tayo rito ngayon. Sabi ni Maminka, mamaya na daw. Sabi ko ngayon na para habang hindi pa ako inantok. Okay. Look at this. Diba ang ganda ng bell pepper ni Maminka. Yan, lalaki. Oh. May mga mangilang-ilan pa natira ng mga kamatis. At ito ay pipitasin na rin. Yan. So So tapos na ako magbisbis. Kasi talagang hindi umuulan ngayon dito. Pero okay lang, mayroon namang tubig na pondo para magbisbis sa mga halaman. So tapos na ang trabaho. So si Sofia nasa kanyang mga pinsan doon sa kabilang bahay. Yan. Okay. Ang blackberries. Kung meron pang natira. Oh, meron pa oh. Ang dami pang natira oh. Ha? Ayos. Sarap ang buhay. Okay. So, pitas tayo ito. Okay na. Job is done. Sobrang hangin. Ayos. Ang buto-buto. Tapos na akong mag-bisbis ng mga halaman. Tapos na rin akong mag-general cleaning kanina bago kami pumunta sa doktor ni Sofia. Kaya ito. At least yung bahay ay malinis. Dahil si Chapit ang naiwan sa bahay.